What's up you guys, it's Dipesha. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to review 5 treatment-based products from Dr. Sheth's that tackle acne, oily skin, sensitivity, pigmentation and much more. So without any further ado, let's get started. The 5 products that I'm going to be talking about today is the Clarifying Sulfur Mask as well as the Neem & BHA Spot Clarifying Serum. I'm also going to be talking about the Alpha-Arbutin, Ashwagandha and Alpha-Arbutin Serum, the Centella and Niacinamide Serum as well as the Amla and Vitamin C VC20 Serum as well. So if you want to click ahead to any product that you are most interested in, be free to click on the timestamps given down below. Starting with the Clarifying Sulfur Mask. The mask is a huge help when it comes to maintaining my skin. It helps with oily skin, it helps with acne, it helps with controlling all of that oil and congestion in your skin. Now it's a great mask for a weekly treatment, but I also like to use it as a spot treatment from time to time. I love to put it on any of my aggressive pimples. If I'm getting any very aggressive angry pimples, I'll just put a spot on that and leave it overnight. This helps calm down that pimple, makes it shrink and avoids future skin damage, which prevents any kind of discoloration or pimple marks. It's filled with amazing ingredients that help with oil control. It reduces any kind of congestion in your skin. Your pores remain clean with this, and it also helps with sensitivity. It also exfoliates the skin, which is amazing. It's a really good once in a week kind of treatment, but it's also a great spot treatment. So if you are a beginner and you are a little intimidated by the chemical exfoliators that are there out there, and you just want something that is very mild and gentle that you can use once a week or twice a week if your skin is getting oily and congestion and acne prone, then you could use this as a treatment like twice a week, and it would really help with that. Just gently exfoliate your skin as well as giving you all of these great ingredients that help with your oil control and congestion that is lodging into your skin. So if you are a beginner, this is a perfect product that you can start with, and then you can develop over the years once you're a little bit more comfortable with using more stronger or a little bit more advanced kind of skincare. Talking about chemical exfoliants, this brings us down to number 2, which is the Neem & BHA Clarifying Spot Treatment. I really like this serum. Completely love it. Now this is a spot clarifying treatment, which means you need to apply it only on the spots where you get a little bit of congestion or you get a little bit of spots, but you can apply it all over the face. Let me just tell you, if you're applying it all over the face, I would really recommend you to only use it twice a week, and that is more than enough chemical exfoliation for a week. I would not recommend you to use this every day, not even alternate days. Just use it twice a week, and that is more than enough exfoliation. Other than that, you can definitely apply it on spots where you get a lot of congestion. Now this comes in a glass bottle with a pump, and it is shifting its packaging to a newer, colorful, more informative kind of packaging, but the product remains the same. The key ingredients in the serum are salicylic acid, which is great for clarifying any kind of congestion in your pores. It also has neem oil, which is an antibacterial, and a tea tree oil, which helps with preventing further acne. It has niacinamide, which is great for reducing oil production and also soothing the skin. The formula altogether is amazing because it has a lot of hydrants and a lot of soothing agents which help with the skin calm down. Now the serum has a very gel-like thick texture, which is great for applying it as a mask or on a spot treatment. It just does not dissolve into the skin, but it stays there and treats the skin while it's there. And it has small beads in it which disappear as you apply it on your skin. I generally have liked using the serum in the summertime when my skin is quite oily, or when my skin is very inflamed or very greasy, oily, with causing a lot of acne and congestion. So I use it during that time, and it is perfect product for anytime I have that kind of aggressive skin. Altogether, it is a bomb product. If you want a product that will help with your acne and oily skin and congestion, this is the product for you. This would be my first pick out of all of these products for especially acne oily skin. Now the third product that we are going to be reviewing is the Centella and Niacinamide Serum. Centella helps with soothing the skin, and Niacinamide again helps with soothing, plus also reduces oil production, which is great when it comes to oily skin, acne prone skin, As you can see, this is a pattern, and then we will move to other products for other skin types, but this one is the last product for acne, oily skin, and it is also great as a daily serum. So if you want something for maintenance, like using a daily serum that will help reduce your oil production on a daily basis, this is the serum for you. Now I apply this morning and night time. I just take a few drops of this. You don't need too much of this. A little goes a long way with this serum, and it's a great daily use serum. Now this one I have in the new packaging. As you can see, there's a lot more information provided in the new packaging. It's a glass bottle with a dropper, and it is a very thin consistency of product, so it just absorbs into the skin really fast, and you don't really have to do too much. It does not feel cakey or greasy or oily on the skin. It just absorbs right away, and it's amazing as a daily serum. And it has licorice, which is great for its calming properties. I think this is the best product if you're looking for something on a daily use, if you have oily acne prone skin and if you want something to use daily to just control that oil flow. This is a perfect product for you. Now we have Amla VC20 Vitamin C Serum, and this is the most talked about ingredient throughout the world. Like, vitamin C is so trending and it is so in everybody's shelves now that everybody really wants a good vitamin C serum, a stabilized vitamin C serum that works for a longer period and that really works and benefits your skin on a daily basis. So this is something that has completely taken me aback, because I have tried so many vitamin C serums which I feel the texture is just not for me, and vitamin C is something that you should actually look forward to trying, and it shouldn't be something that you are just using it for the sake of using it. I feel like that is something for all your skincare. You should actually be looking forward to using it and not just using it for the sake of using it. But this is one product that I really like for its texture, because it's not too thin, it's not too thick, and it's the right consistency that I like. Now, a lot of products that I've tried before are either too oily or too thin that it just absorbs into my skin and it doesn't feel like I've applied anything, and I don't really like that about my vitamin C serums. I want them to be thick enough that I know that I've applied something, gives me a little bit of glow on my skin as I apply it, and also not oily or greasy that makes me feel like that tackiness on my skin. I don't like that. Now this is something that gives me a very nice middle ground. Now the key ingredients here, obviously 20% vitamin C, which helps with brightening the skin. It helps with a lot of antioxidant benefits also, which are directly proportionate to any kind of damages that are in the skin, and it just helps repair all of that. It also has 0.5% of ferulic acid, which helps with regenerating the skin cell turnover, and it also helps with getting rid of any dead skin cells. It is great for anti-aging. It has hyaluronic acid, which will hydrate the skin. Also vitamin E, which helps with repairing the skin. Lastly, Amla, which helps with brightening and giving an even tone to the skin. Overall, it's a great serum for anyone who has tired looking dull skin. If you feel like you need a boost for your skincare, this is the serum for you. If you feel like your skin just needs a little bit more, like it feels sallow or it feels dull, it feels like it's aging, and you just feel like, oh, why does it look so tired or grayish, there's this grayish cast to your skin, then I feel like this is the serum that will really help it out. This has a lot of antioxidants which will help brighten the skin and repair any damages that have been caused by the sun or other environmental factors. Now I really like to combine this serum with the serum I'm going to be talking to you about next, and both of them together really help with pigmentation, my acne scars, any kind of marks that I have because of acne. It really helps with that. So let's get on to the fifth and the last product in this lineup. Here we are, the last product in this lineup, which is the Ashwagandha and Alpha Arbutin serum. Now this has been recently launched about 2 months ago, and I have been really enjoying this with the VC20 serum, which is amazing to get rid of all those acne spots and marks. It also helps prevent any kind of acne spots and marks which you are about to get, which I really like, because my skin tends to have a lot of acne, and when the pimples disappear, they leave marks on the skin, and this sort of helps with prevention and also curing the marks that have been caused by them. This also helps to reduce and prevent any kind of other discoloration like pigmentation or tanning on your skin. Now I like to use this product morning and night. Now I like to use this product morning and night, and it's a great product. While you use it consistently, you can really see the differences that it makes to your skin, and all the marks and the discoloration start disappearing faster. Now the consistency is more gel-like. It has small beads of kojic acid in it, and alpha-arbutin with kojic acid is a great combination for lightening skin, any kind of discoloration, lightening those discolorations. This is a great formulation for that. It also has ashwagandha for its calming properties and L-arginine, which helps with elasticity of the skin. So if you have a sun damaged skin, if you have any kind of, if you've been going out in the sun a lot, then this would be perfect for you, because the sun causes your skin elasticity to lower down or reduce, and this really helps with boosting that elasticity of the skin. Now with that being said, I just want to talk about the whole lineup once again. The first product we spoke about was the sulfur mask, which is great for acne, oily prone skin. Again, great for weekly or spot treatments. If you're a beginner, this is perfect for you. If you're intimidated with chemical exfoliation, this is amazing for you to start with. The neem and BHA serum is great for oily, acne prone skin, congested skin. It works amazingly. It's one of my favorite chemical exfoliations for oily, acne prone skin. The third product we spoke about was the Centella and Niacinamide serum, which is amazing for a daily use. It is great to reduce oily skin, and especially if you have sensitive skin, it helps soothe the skin down. The fourth product we spoke about was the Amla VC20 serum, which is great as an antioxidant boost for your skin, and it works amazingly with the fifth product that we spoke about, which is the alpha-arbutin serum. Together they work really well for hyperpigmentation, any kind of acne scars, any kind of discoloration on the skin, tanning, sun damage. It helps with all of those products. Now I would really emphasize on the fact that when you're using these treatment-based products, you also need to make sure that the basic products are also in line and are good to use. So face wash that suits you perfectly, moisturizer that is basic but it suits your skin type, and also sunscreen that you like using and also helps with your skin fighting all the sun damage. Now these products really help make all of these treatment-based products work better. Now Dr. Shade's formulas, I love most of them, not all of them. Some of them I don't like, some of them I like, and some of them are like maybe okay kind of products. But these 5 I've really put my heart into, and I've really loved using them in my regular skincare routine. And as they work for my skin, I hope they'll work for you too. Please comment down below if you're excited to try any one of these products, or if you already have any other product of Dr. Shade's that you like. Please let me know in the comments down below. Also let me know if you want me to review another brand or another product line. I would love to do that for you. Let me know in the comments down below. Also follow me on Instagram. We do a lot of reels, regular reviews, also some tips and tricks of makeup and skincare and hair, and some fun activities on Instagram. So do follow me on there as well. And that is it. If you like this video, do give this video a thumbs up. Also do subscribe to my channel and click that bell icon right next to it. And I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.